Now for today's sponsor of the video is our Amazon affiliate links. If you guys are ever curious to see what we use for our vlogs and edits and any of the equipment that we use for these videos, because you're interested in making these type of videos yourself, definitely check out the link down below. And of course, any support there also supports the show right here that you're watching. So thank you again, and now back to the video. Hello and all loyalists, and welcome back to another LASIK surgery update. I'm actually heading over to my Dr. Seam's appointment for a follow-up checkup of the eyes. I'm legally able to drive now, so I'm gonna probably take the Porsche Cayenne out with us. Just me and the wife. We're probably gonna have maybe lunch or something afterwards, and then head back here for other stuff going on. But nevertheless, we're gonna head out now. Where's Bash? There you are, boy. There you are, boy. But yeah, let's head over there right now.
They're like blocking my door. No, guys. No. Bella, no, don't do this. Look at your eyes. Cute. Ash, why are you shaking? No. Make it so hard to leave, guys. I gotta go, okay? I'll be back, I promise, okay?
Inside, waiting for my daughter to come in, but yeah, looks like just more eye drops that I need to put in because it is causing a little bit of redness. But yeah, pretty sure it's gonna tell me the same thing, but it looks like I'm pretty much 20/20. Okay, it's looking like that the doctor mentioned that I need to get the eye drops with gel, the gel ones, versus the ones I currently have. So I might have to go and find that somewhere.
All right, time to take this baby boy out. Baby boy! Baby boy! Let's do this. Oh, my sunglasses. Forgot my sunglasses. Baby, my sunglasses. All right. Does it feel weird that I'm taking this out for grocery shopping? Nah, it's not weird at all. The one thing I've noticed definitely for sure as I drive here in the Porsche Cayenne is the fact that I can definitely see a lot more clear. And it's crazy, like I can see that sign right there up ahead. Normally, like, it's kind of blurry and whatnot, so definitely after a month of just I guess the eyes healing, I'm not really too sure what's happening, but it's just the fact that it's almost like I'm still wearing contacts. I think I mentioned that before, but it really feels like I'm just wearing contacts. And even when like my eyes are sore, it has that same kind of feel as if you wear contacts for a long time, you know, during the day, and you want to take off your contacts, but then I realize, wait, I'm not wearing contacts. I'm gonna have to like just go to sleep and let my eyes heal, you know, rest or whatever. But it's super, like, it's almost unreal because I've worn glasses for so long. It feels weird, like being able to see. But even though it's not perfect vision, because the one thing I noticed too is like I'm not sure if it's because my eyes are sore or, you know, because like, you know, I'm sleepy or whatever the case is, but sometimes like it gets really like blurry, like almost like foggy in a way. I'll probably talk to Emil Yusuf later about it, like what's the deal with that. But the fact that like it gets kind of foggy and I have to like either wash it out with water or put eye drops or something like that to really like kind of get that fogginess out. And sometimes it doesn't go away until I go to sleep. Like right now I don't really see the fogginess. Like if I close my eyes, it doesn't like what obviously you can't see my eyes when I'm wearing sunglasses, but if you could see my eyes, okay, fine. If I close my eyes like this, for example, like it's essentially, it doesn't have that blurry feel, but it's always this eye. This eye, like the right eye, for some reason doesn't have that same fogginess. It's always the left eye. And I know when I did my my test, my eye test, it wasn't perfect in 20/20. Like the right eye was 20/20, but the left eye was still, I think he said, was like 40/20. But yeah, but right now it feels like both eyes are 20/20. But so obviously we're probably gonna do an eye test when we get into Emil Yusuf office at Visions by Emil, and see where I stand. But I'm definitely gonna mention that. But we're almost at destination. We're just gonna do a quick drive montage, and I'll see you there. We parked a little bit far, but it's fine. It's not too bad of a walk. The weather kind of turned a little bit crappy though. I'm not sure if you can see that at all, but just turned a little bit cloudy. But we're almost at location. Crap, I could have parked here. It's right there. I was super nervous with the surgery because, like, obviously when you come into the surgery, you know, you're kind of just waiting there. Right. And
you're anticipating something, but not sure what.
Exactly. But for those that are watching, obviously this is Emil Yusuf.
Dr. Yusuf, how are you?
Vision by Emil, over in downtown Summerlin.
Right. This is where it all started.
Yep.
So you come in here and we do all the diagnostic testing to make sure you're a good surgery candidate, and then we do the proper referrals.
But it was super quick. Obviously, painless because they put, I forgot what they put exactly.
They put a little bit of an anesthetic.
Yeah.
So let's get a vision on you.
Okay.
So let's see how you're reading. Can you read that?
Yes. VTOHV.
Beautiful. How about here?
That one is TOVHO.
So all in all, it's an easier procedure.
Definitely.
Okay.
Twice a day, but probably.
Yeah, definitely do 4 times a day. And then at night you can use the gel. They have re-wetting drops.
Yeah, I actually have that.
It's more of a gel type. So let's go back. So right now you're 2015.
2015?
Yeah, which is better than 2020.
Oh.
There's something called punctal plugs.
You say my vision's 2015?
Yes,
oh, wow.
2015.
That's crazy.
Better than 2020.
Yeah.
So your flap is healed, you look great. The eyes are somewhat dry, but that's normal after LASIK. So I would certainly increase the re-wetting drops to the gel drops at night. You can do like an omega or fish oil. And then there are punctal plugs that we can put in, and they're basically microscopic, tiny little hydration devices. They look like this. So see this blue small. It goes in your tear duct. So just with forceps, we drop that in the natural tear duct of the eye. And the fluid will start to rise. So that is very helpful. I'll give you a brochure about that, but I recommend that we do that right away.
Definitely.
And we could do that today. But the more exciting thing is, let me show you what you were prior. At this point, the computer shows me what you're seeing during the day and what you see during that night. And look how much clearer, how much more
Which is the before?
This is what today is. This is the right visual system. This is the left.
Okay.
And this is daytime and nighttime. We base that on pupillary aperture. So this is a simulation here.
Okay.
So, and then your prior, this is what you started off with.
Oh wow,
So
yeah.
isn't that neat?
That is crazy, yeah.
So this is what you were seeing prior to surgery.
Yeah.
And then we knew you were correctable because
That's
it wasn't
crazy.
due to any diseases, it was just due to a refractive error.
Wow, that's insane.
So it's been life-changing.
Well, there's another thing too, like I noticed when, at night, like when I'm getting home from work, like my eyes are getting really sore, so, and obviously when I see it, I feel like I'm still wearing contacts.
That's the dryness though. This is why we should do this. We can do the punctal plugs like today even if you wanted to.
For sure.
You know,
But I still had that weird thing where it's like, sometimes it'll get like kind of foggy.
That's again the dryness.
The dryness. Oh, that's, so it's all dryness. Okay.
It's all, yeah. And that's pretty normal, especially here where we are terribly dry.
Terribly,
yeah. The driest desert in the world.
Yeah, because I come home, my eyes like bloodshot.
Yeah. Well, there's no reason to really suffer through that. Like I said, we can do this very quickly. And then that will also make the vision even more clear because you'll be more transparent. The cornea is going to be hydrated, so therefore of more transparency.
On average though, how long do you think this will last?
The
Like,
prescription, the
Like the
LASIK?
yeah, LASIK, like
So we have studies of regression, and that's based on age. It's based on pre-existing prescription, and also what generation laser and all that. So if you're over, and if you've had prior surgeries or not. So patients that are as young as you are, there's going to be a less than 10% regression rate. So, and your prescription was moderate, it wasn't so high because we were able to accommodate a lot more. But what I always tell patients is that even if you regress slightly, it's still better than where.
yeah, because I'm 2015, like you were saying.
Right.
So.
I mean, you've knocked out over 4 diopters of myopia. That's a lot. And we can go back and enhance it anyway.
I do have a quick question. Water activities. Well,
You can do that at this point. We recommend that you don't go swimming anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks after the surgery.
okay, cool.
So that you can avoid infection. Except for the dryness, which I think will get better on its own.
Yeah, I just have to.
Typically it takes 3 months out here, put more drops in, and then the plugs are going to really be very helpful. And that's
Cool.
it. So
Awesome.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
2015.
This feels great though. Like I I can wear sunglasses finally. I don't put on contacts.
Right.
It's like
And
night
it's not,
and day.
everyone is fearful before going into
Definitely,
surgery.
yeah.
And as I was too, because I'm a patient, but if you think about it, it's a very
Yeah,
quick,
it was
safe,
painless. Like
very easy. Now everything is very transparent. What we do, we have a viewing room that if anybody drives you, they can see
yeah,
what
so
we're doing.
that.
So it's a great procedure.
Yeah, I thought the scenes are good too. I like them.
Yes, absolutely. He operated on my eyes. Things are good. I'm gonna burn the complete package. It was like this.
Okay.
And there's a size to every plug. So, look at that. And this is called a loader, so this helps me hold the plug, and the plug is actually on the very edge of this. And then
It looks
there's
like a tornado
loader.
device.
I know.
Getting some in and out. I guess before we head back home, did a little pit stop at In and Out. And if you're wondering, yes, I changed cars.
Did you want any
Can I get like a couple of bags of mayo, or not mayo?
spread?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. A couple, like maybe 3. Yeah, that's the one. Perfect. Thank. So yeah, as we drive back, just a quick debrief of what happened at Vision by Mel. Obviously, my vision is like better than perfect. 2015, that's insane. Even when I did my last test, like my left eye was like 40/20 or something like that. It wasn't perfect 20/20 like my other eye was. It was just 20/20. But it was all because of dryness, redness, dryness. I need to be more frequent with my eye drops, and at night before I go to sleep, put in some of the eye gels, eye drop gels. But yeah, dramatically improved from almost a month ago. Like, it's crazy. From wearing glasses to no glasses. I'm still in awe. Obviously, it's still that early phase. Eventually, I'll get to a point where like it'll feel natural to me. I don't have to worry about, oh, I need to take out my contacts at night because of, before I go to sleep. It's just go to sleep. So anyway, hope you guys like this video, this update video. There'll be more of that coming up. It's a nice Corvette over there. I don't know if you guys saw it. But yeah, hope you guys like that video. More updates coming up as we progress. But hope you guys stay awesome. I'll see you next video. Until next time, I was out. Alright, laters.
Now for today's sponsored video is our Amazon affiliate links down below. If you guys are ever curious to see what we use in terms of our editing or recording or vlogging outside in the real world and whatnot, definitely check those links down below. One of the big questions I always get is what camera I use for these vlogs. I use quite a few cameras, obviously my GoPro, even my own iPhone, but one camera in particular you should definitely check out is the Sony a5100. Even with the current lens that comes with it, it provides amazing quality and that lightweight portability that you guys need when you're vlogging on the go. Whether you're in the Philippines, out of New Zealand, in or around your neighborhood, it provides the quality that you need to get things done. So definitely check the links down below. Any support there also supports us right here in this channel. Thank you again and happy filming.